Did you know that 66% of millennials aren't investing because they think it's only for the wealthy? That misconception is costing them millions in missed opportunities. Imagine if you could tap into professional-level investments without needing a fortune. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have 5 sneaky strategies to invest like a pro, on a budget, and take charge of your financial future. If you skip this video, you risk staying stuck in the same financial rut while others quietly grow their wealth. Don't let that happen. Investing isn't just for millionaires in suits or tech-savvy geniuses. It's for you, regardless of how much money you've got right now. In 2025, the investment game is more accessible than ever, but only if you know where to look and what to do. The key? Smart strategies that let you maximize every dollar. Today, I'm breaking down 5 actionable ways to invest like the pros, even if you're on a shoestring budget. Each method is designed to be simple, effective, and tailored for young adults looking to build wealth without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. Here's the cold, hard truth. Most people don't invest because they think they don't have enough money. They're afraid of making mistakes or losing what little they have. Sound familiar? The reality is, not investing is far riskier. Inflation is eating away at your savings while opportunities to grow your wealth slip by. The good news? You don't need thousands to get started, but you do need a game plan. That's what we're here for. Number 1. The robo-advisor revolution. Ever feel like investing is too complicated? That's where robo-advisors come in. These platforms, like Betterment or Wealthfront, use algorithms to manage your investments for you, all at a fraction of the cost of traditional financial advisors. For as little as $10 a month, you can build a diversified portfolio tailored to your risk level and financial goals. Imagine a digital coach guiding your investments 24/7. No experience needed, no excuses. That's how pros automate their success. What if I told you that skipping 2 Starbucks lattes a month could fund your entire robo-advisor account? Let that sink in. Number 2, fractional shares, owning the unreachable. Think Tesla, Amazon, or Apple are out of reach? Not anymore. With fractional shares, you can own a piece of these high-value stocks for as little as $1. Apps like Robinhood or Public make this a breeze. You're not just buying stock, you're buying the power of compound growth. Pro investors don't see price tags, they see opportunities. Why shouldn't you? Number 3, dividend stocks, your passive income hack. Dividend-paying stocks are like planting a money tree. Companies like Coca-Cola or Procter & Gamble pay shareholders regularly just for owning their stock. Even on a tight budget, you can reinvest those dividends to grow your portfolio over time. Pro tip: use a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP, to automatically reinvest your earnings. It's the secret sauce for exponential growth. Number 4, index funds and ETFs, the pros' go-to. Warren Buffett famously said most investors should stick to index funds. Why? They're simple, low cost, and deliver consistent returns. Index funds and ETFs spread your money across a range of assets, reducing risk and boosting growth potential. If you've got $50, you've got enough to start. Platforms like Vanguard or Fidelity offer beginner-friendly options with minimal fees. But how do you know which one to choose? I'll reveal a trick at the end of this video. Number 5, real estate without buying property. Think real estate is only for millionaires? Enter REITs, also called real estate investment trusts. These allow you to invest in real estate, like shopping malls, apartments, or office buildings, without ever owning property. For as little as $20, you can tap into the lucrative real estate market. REITs provide steady income and potential growth, making them a favorite among savvy investors. Did you know even Starbucks pays rent to REITs? Why not flip the script and get a slice of their pie? Let me tell you a quick story which justifies all of this. A while back, while I was sitting in a 5-star restaurant hoping for a delicious meal, I met this girl, Katie, a 25-year-old waitress who started investing just $100 a month using these strategies. I'm not going to go in detail about how I found that out and what conversation we had about the same, but I'll tell you this. I taught her all these investing strategies in detail that I'm teaching you now, and within 3 years, she built a portfolio worth over $12,000. Katie didn't wait for the right time or a bigger paycheck. She started small, stayed consistent, and let her money work for her. The takeaway? The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. To recap. Number 1, use robo-advisors to automate your investments. Number 2, buy fractional shares to own a piece of the giants. Number 3, leverage dividend stocks for passive income. Number 4, diversify with index funds and ETFs. Number 5, invest in REITs to access real estate returns without the hassle. These 5 strategies aren't just for the rich, they're for anyone ready to take control of their financial future. The sooner you start, the faster you'll see results. Before you go, watch my video on the top 5 investments in 2025 every investor must know. It's packed with advanced strategies to help you level up your portfolio. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join the Finance Flex family, and let's make 2025 your breakthrough year. If you don't, someone else will, and they'll be thanking themselves a year from now. Will you?